Hi kids, today we're going to be learning the plural form of irregular nouns. This lesson focuses on how to form the plural of frequently occurring irregular nouns. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use the plural form of frequently occurring irregular nouns. For example, children, feet, and teeth. Let's try this. Learning Task 1, choose the plural form of each word. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Number 1. Criterion. A. Criteria. B. Criterions. Number 2. Foot. A. Foots. B. Feet. Number 3. Alumnus. A. Alumna. B. Alumni. Number 4. Louse. A. Louses. B. Lice. Number 5. Woman. A. Women. B. Womans. Let us check your answer. Let us check your answer. Number 1. A. Criteria. Number 2. B. Feet. Number 3. B. Alumni. Number 4. B. Lice. Number 5. A. Women. Did you get it right? Very good. Now, let's try this. Learning Task 2. Transform the following into their plural. Copy and answer in your notebook. Number 1. Oasis. Number 2. Apex. Number 3. Datum. Number 4. Sheep. Number 5. Focus. Let us check your answer. Let's check. Number 1. Oases. Number 2. Apexes or apices. Number 3. Data. Number 4. Sheep. Number 4. Foci or focuses. Did you get it right? Very good. Let us try to answer Learning Task 3. Pick the correct plural form of the following irregular nouns. Copy and write the correct answers in your notebook. Singular noun. Number 1. Child. Plural noun. Childs. Children. Number 2. Die. Plural noun. Dead. Dice. Number 3. Man. Plural noun. Men. Mans. Number 4. Ox. Plural noun. Oxen. Oxes. Number 5. Tooth. Plural noun. Tooths. Teeth. Let us check your answer. Let us check learning task 3. Singular noun. Number 1. Child. Plural noun. Children. Number 2. Die. Plural noun. Dice. Number 3. Man. Plural noun. Men. Number 4. Ox. Plural noun. Oxen. Number 5. Tooth. Plural noun. Teeth. Did you get it right? Very good. What are the rules in pluralizing irregular nouns? To get the plural form of irregular nouns, change their spelling. To form its plural, some nouns do not change the spelling. Examples of irregular nouns. Change in spelling. Child. Children. Mouse. Mice. Larva. Larvae. Ellipsis. Ellipses. Vita. Vitae. No change in spelling. Tuna. Tuna. Trout. Trout. Fish. Fish. Fowl. Fowl. Equipment. Equipment. Now, let's try learning task 4. Copy in your notebook and complete the sentences with the correct plural forms of the nouns in parentheses. Number 1. The blank. Sheep crossed the road. Number 2. The farmer has 30 blank ox in his barn. Number 3. The blank larva will become beautiful butterflies. Number 4. There are many blank equipment in the warehouse. Number 5. The desert animals get water from the blank oasis. Let us check your answer. Now, let's check your answer. Number 1. Sheep. Number 2. Oxen. Number 3. Larvae. Number 4. Equipment. Number 5. Oases. Did you get it right? Very good. Remember this. To make the plural form of irregular nouns, change their spelling. Now, let's answer learning task 5. Choose the correct irregular noun from the box to complete the sentences below. Trout. Sheep. Teeth. Men. Swine. Number 1. Mila brushes her blank. Number 2. The fisherman caught plenty of blank. Number 3. The farm owner takes care of the blank for their fur. Number 4. The hog owner herds the blank to their cages. Number 5. The blank wash their cars. Let us check your answer. Let's check learning task 5. Number 1. Teeth. Number 2. Trout. Number 3. Sheep. Number 4. Swine. Number 5. Men. Did you get it right? Very good. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. LENZCHI Official.